Today we will be making this. This. Let's make sure we are on the same page. Go top rightmost. Let cursor go down. Check the cavity. And make them full. Now good to go. Press F3 for search field. Then F9 to bring the menu. Change the value. G for grab move above by 1 unit. Change pivot point to 3D cursor. S for scale. In direction Z. Press tab for edit modes. Select top mesh. Snap cursor to select it. Then E to extrude up. S to scale. Then extrude. Shift S choose keep offset. Alt Z for X-ray view. Press that for side view. Add edge loops. Type 4. Press 2 for edge select. Hold left mouse then drag. Delete these segments. Press 3 for face select, then B for box select. Hold left mouse then drag. Now disable X-ray view. Separate that part. Choose modifier. Adjust thickness in top view looks good. Adjust in Z-axis. Looks good. I will release part 2 containing wristband modeling. This video gets 50 likes, I will release part 2. If you're new to this channel, subscribe so you get notification when I upload new video. Till then, bye bye. At the end it will look like this.